One night habit could have long-term damage uh, to your health. It feels harmless, but this simple habit ritual is silently wrecking your brain, your heart, and your hormones. Welcome to Wellness Health Services Health Talks. I'm Dr. Joshua Derito, a family physician. I have interest in public health and cancer prevention and treatment. So let's expose this real enemy that is hiding in your bedroom. You have been using electronics in your bedroom. This is a silent health killer. This late night screens. Blue light suppresses melatonin, and this is the most important sleep hormone that you need to enjoy a good night's sleep. Then this leads to disrupted sleep, which increases your cortisol levels, and then this lowers your immunity, and this leads to increased inflammation. Over time, you have brain fog, weight gain, burnout, and even heart diseases. So, what actually happens to your body when you use electronics excessively? So, your sleep latency increases. So, what this means is that it makes it difficult for you to fall asleep because your brain is activated, and so you have it harder to get asleep. Then your rapid eye movement sleep is affected, and it drops. So your memory and mood suffer because you are not having adequate and deep sleep. Then your insulin sensitivity decline. This is because of the increased hormones, which make it difficult for your cells to respond to insulin, and then you develop insulin resistance. So then your hunger hormones are increased, and then you start late night snacking because you are hungry. So what happens emotionally and mentally? So once you start developing a brain fog, then you also have poor concentration. Then you have mood instability, anxiety, and you also have irritability. So this lowers your creativity and also your motivation. You do not have energy to do even the things that you enjoyed doing. When you have these symptoms, then you have attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and you are not able to concentrate. And this can lead you to have depression, and this makes it difficult for you to enjoy things that you really enjoyed in life, and also makes it difficult for you to make decisions. So some of the warning signs that would be warning to you that your electronic use is destroying your health. You wake up tired even after 8 hours of sleep. You scroll mindlessly in bed every night. You rely on caffeine before 10 a.m. to keep active. Your mood dips the next morning. You struggle to focus or even to remember things. So, how do you manage this, and what do you do to detox yourself from electronics? In one of my previous videos, I've talked about extensively on electronic detox. You can have a look at it, and you can also look at some of the tips that are here. So, what do you need to do to detox yourself from these electronics? A screen off 60 minutes before bed. Use dim amber light or candles in your bed. Read a physical book, not on Kindle, so that you avoid the blue light. stretch, pray, and meditate 5 minutes before your bed. Lights out by 10 p.m. for a melatonin spike. So let's see what we can do tonight to change our uh, electronic uh, intoxication. One, replace scrolling with journaling. You can spend your time journaling on what happened to your day, and this will help you to avoid screens. Add a calming playlist or white noise to relax your mind and listen to some music that will help you calm your mind. Try herbal tea for your brain relaxation and also to avoid the addiction to electronics. Reflect on how you feel, your energy, your mood, and your memory. If you like this, take action tonight. This habit is fixable and starting now. So drop a like if you're ditching your phone before bed. Tag a friend who is still scrolling till midnight. Save their brain and save their life. Remember to subscribe to the Overall Health YouTube channel for more tips.